How to turn off power saving mode on Windows 10 11. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also have enabled your power saving mode on your battery and it's decreasing your performance but increasing your battery life, but you want to have your battery best performance or better performance, then in that case what you might want to do is just hit the Windows plus I on your keyboard, which will automatically open the settings. And once you're inside here, you can also actually simply searching for settings from your search bar as well, and just tap on the system option over here and just select the power and sleep option or battery option over here. So just head over to your power and sleep option over here, and once you're inside here, you can just adjust all of these settings accordingly based on your choice about when you want your screen to sleep and when you do not want your screen to sleep. And once you do all of that, you can basically tap on this changing power mode option over here. So if it's also take you to the browser, then in that case what you might want to do is just simply head over to your battery location from the bottom right corner, just like this. And once you tap on that, you can basically organize the performance level or power mode from over here directly rather than from settings as well. So as you can see, currently I've selected it on best performance, so you can also do same. If you have it on better performance, it's also good, but if you are setting it to the better battery, which is usually for the battery power saving mode, so you can basically select this, that is better performance or best performance. So you can basically choose between those two options, and there you go guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.